Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 8th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So pretty much all week long, I've been saying if we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I would definitely go short and become bearish. All week long, it's been doing nothing but making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. There's definitely been no reason yet to say that this move up is over. We are sitting at the 78% right now, but there's definitely no break of structure to the downside yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely still very bullish. Most recent structure for me is right here because that's the last structure it made. That's the last swing low it made before it made a new swing high. So if it breaks this low, that's a breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. If it doesn't break that low, which it definitely doesn't have to, then I would definitely continue to look for longs. If you did nothing but look for logs this week at the every single one of these little points right here, then you probably had a very profitable week trading gold because this is all higher highs, higher lows the whole way up, and there is definitely still no break or structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpeculator.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.